Are you looking for the best exercise bikes for a short person in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best exercise bikes for a short person. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Advenor Magnetic Resistance Indoor Cycling Bike. This indoor cycling bike is a fantastic option for shorter riders because the handlebars and seat are highly adjustable. They both can be adjusted in height. The seat raises and lowers up to 8 inches, while the handlebar height adjusts up to 6 inches, as well as forwards and backward. And the brand calls it suitable for riders ranging in height from 5 feet 1 inch to 6 feet 5 inches or those with an inseam between 25 and 35 inches. The fact that it's short person friendly aside, it's also a high-quality indoor cycling bike at a fair price point. It features a 35-pound flywheel, 100 magnetic resistance levels, and a built-in LCD monitor that tracks speed, calories burned, time, and more. There's also a tablet holder should you want to follow a class on one of your favorite apps and a built-in bottle holder. The cage pedals have adjustable straps for a more customized fit, and the seat is cushioned for comfort. It comes with a 12-month parts warranty and can be moved via the front wheels. Moving on at number 4, we have the Exerpeutic 300 SR. The Exerpeutic 400 XL is an excellent choice for a foldable exercise bike because of its solid build quality, exceptional riding experience, and incredible value. It has a magnetic resistance mechanism that provides enough adjustable levels to cover the heart rate training zones for most people. The bike is also quiet during use, with no vibration or shaking, so you can focus on your workout. The seat and backrest are firm but comfortable, and the seat is easily adjustable to accommodate riders of different heights. Plus, the LCD display provides all the information you need to track your progress. And, of course, this bike is foldable with the dimensions of 19 by 46 by 33 inches when unfolded and 20 by 17 by 54 inches when folded. All in all, the Exerpeutic 400 XL is an excellent choice for a budget-conscious shopper who wants a foldable bike without any compromises. The Exerpeutic 400 XL has a lot of similarities with the upgraded Exerpeutic 525 XLR. Both bikes don't have workout programs and 8 resistance levels. However, if you need a larger weight capacity, then the Exerpeutic 525 XLR is a worthy upgrade. Otherwise, you'd be spending extra bucks on a larger and heavier recumbent bike. All in all, the Exerpeutic 400 XL is still the best foldable recumbent bike on this list. At number 3, we have the Efitment Indoor Cycle Bike. The Efitment IC031 is our choice for the best spin bike because of its sturdy design, superb level of comfort, and quiet riding experience. The magnetic resistance mechanism is adjustable, so you can find the best level for you. This bike's transportation wheels make it very maneuverable and easy to move around your home. The plush seat provides a superb level of comfort and can be easily adjusted for your height. The digital monitor tracks your progress and displays multiple statistics, including your heart rate, calories burned, and speed. The riding experience itself is smooth and almost silent. The Efitment IC031 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a top-quality spin bike. The Efitment IC031 is the bike you get if you don't have the budget for a Schwinn 270 or Sunny Health and Fitness Sulfur Monofluoride RB4708. It also has a magnetic resistance mechanism like the two popular options. Although it is a tad cheaper, its weight limit is relatively lower and its workout programs are pretty limited. All considered, the Efitment IC031 is still the best spin bike on this list. At number 2, we have the Marcy Exercise Upright Fan Bike. The Marcy Exercise Upright Fan Bike is a great option for those looking for a quality upright bike. The bike is equipped with an air resistance mechanism, and even though it comes with a single resistance level, it's perfectly calibrated for most users. The bike is also very sturdy, with a steel frame that can support up to 300 pounds. It also has a rather compact footprint, so you can fit it into even smaller homes. The LCD monitor is a great addition, as it allows you to keep track of your progress in a straightforward way. The transportation wheels make it easy to move the bike around your home. The Marcy Exercise Upright Fan Bike may not be pack-a-punch with multiple features like the Schwinn 270 and Sunny Health and AMP Fitness Sulfur Monofluoride RB 4708, but it is a solid option if you need an upright bike. Its weight capacity is pretty standard compared to other recumbent bikes, and it offers a relatively solid build. It is also more budget-friendly than most bikes on the list. And finally at number 1, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness. The Sunny Health and Fitness Sulfur Monofluoride RB 4708 is, in our opinion, the best recumbent exercise bike for short people for its simplicity of use, sturdy design, and a great riding experience. It features a magnetic resistance mechanism and 8 levels of resistance, so there are enough options to choose from for both beginners and experienced bikers. We also like that it comes with a digital monitor to track your progress that provides all the information you need without getting overly complicated. Movable handlebars and an adjustable seat make this bike comfortable for people of all sizes, and the 350 pounds weight limit ensures that it can accommodate even users on the heavier size. The bike is also affordably priced, especially considering all the features it offers. The Sunny Health and Fitness Sulfur Monofluoride RB 4708 is the only recumbent bike that comes close to our top pick, Schwinn 270, in terms of build quality and performance. They both have a magnetic resistance mechanism, but the Sunny Health and Fitness Sulfur Monofluoride RB 4708 has a larger weight capacity. It is also easier to use because it has few workout programs. The Schwinn 270 is the kind of bike you get for a wide variety of workout programs and lasting durability. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.